Farewell Mangonui. Thank you for the wonderful ice creams at the Village Creamery. They were delicious. And thank you for the great supplies at the Foursquare. We also went across to Cooper's Beach, up to the bigger Foursquare as well, and have been well looked after. Now we're setting off from the beautiful Matai Bay. So it's 5 o'clock and we're heading across. It's only about an hour and a half. And as you can see, it's sort of a straight beeline out of Mangonui, straight up to the Karikari Peninsula. A good steady sou'westerly, around 16 knots at the moment. And up at Cape Karikari, it's peaking 30, so there's quite a strong wind out there. Getting along quite nicely, around 5 knots with 17 to 18 knots of wind and just a little jib out. Looking beautiful out there. The wind's coming a little bit. We're anything between 19 and 20 knots coming up to Knuckle Point, and then we should see Whangatipiri Bay, which is our anchorage for the night.